Beloved, welcome once again to Divine Dietary Teachings. I want to share with you another video that talks about our human health. This is Divine Dietary Teaching. I'm a reverend minister that the Lord has given me the knowledge to deal with human health through our own food. I don't deal with herbs. I'm not a herbalist. I am not also an orthodox doctor, but I am 100% organic doctor. Say organic. Organic. I feed the body with the organic. Your human body, I feed it with organic. Say organic. I feed the human body with organic. So you are welcome to Divine Dietary Teachings. Here, this morning, I want to meet you with the principle of diet that God Himself gave to mankind. So you can see I am with the Amplified version of the Holy Bible and also the King James version of the Holy Bible. Today, if you can give me a few minutes of your time, I will share with you some deep things about the human diet that you have never known in life. And this message is a divine message that when you are able to receive it into your human spirit, if you are able to receive it into your human spirit, your life is going to be transformed through diet. Many people are feeding on chemicals, and because they are eating so many chemicals, that is why they are facing a lot of health challenges. But by the grace of God, as a servant of God, God has endowed me with the power of His insight about the human body and the diet that when we eat it, it will bring our vitality out. The vibrant life that God has given to mankind, you will receive it through the dietary teachings. I want you to know that originally, God didn't give us medicine, but God gave us food. Say food. God gave humanity food, and because of the food, that is why so many people are sick. So many people are sick because of food, because of the food they eat. But this morning, I want you to know that when you eat well, your body will receive the energy that you need to live on earth. When you eat well, eat well. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29, God gave us fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. And because God gave us fruit and vegetables, they are those food that when we feed on, our body will receive the energy that we need to live on earth. All that human being needs on earth is vitamins and minerals. Say vitamins and minerals. The human body needs vitamins and minerals, and those vitamins and minerals we can't get it from any other chemicals naturally than the food that we eat. All those chemicals that we eat out there, they contain the vitamins and minerals, but they are made up of chemicals. They have gone through chemistry process, therefore they have side effect on the human body. Every doctor understands that any chemicals that they inject into the body, they have side effect. Every doctor will tell you. But this one is the organic. This one is the original thing that God Himself has created for human being. That when we eat it, it will help our human body to survive on earth. We need the body. We need the body. Every human being needs the body. You are soul, spirit, and body. And without the body, you cannot survive on this earth. No spirit can live here without a body. That is why God has given me the wisdom to teach the simple diet plan according to Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. He Himself gave us this food. God Himself gave us this food. That is fruit and vegetables. So I will read Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. Genesis 1:29 from King James Version. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in the which the fruit is yielding seed, to you it shall be for food. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. This is Amplified version. Amplified version. I will read it. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. 129 said, so God said, behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is in the face of the entire earth, and every tree which have fruit yielding seed, it shall be for food. It shall be for food. That is the wisdom of God. He didn't give us meat. Meat came in the human died after the flood. This died plant he gave to the first man, Adam. The first man on earth was Adam, and Adam was the one God gave this plant to, so that Adam and his generation, they will feed on fruit and vegetables. So if you are a generation of Adam, you are supposed to feed on fruit and vegetables. Now, the second man God gave a diet plan to was Noah. After the flood, God gave another diet plan to Noah, that Noah and the generation of Noah, they can feed on meat, but they should make sure that any meat that they are eating, they should eat it without blood. It means they should dry it. They should make sure the blood is drained off. They should make sure the blood is drained off. Then I will read that word to you. Genesis chapter 9 verse 3 to 4. Every moving thing that live shall be food for you, even as the green herb have I given you all things. But verse 4 says, but flesh with the life thereof, which is the blood thereof, shall ye not eat. That's King James for you. Now let me go to the Amplified. Genesis chapter 9 verse